On the delivery trail, Fraser's content. Good customer say, washing day. She not come out with no video. Even though she nice, she not coming out. Watch her, I did with laugh. I give her the package. Give her the package, say, you think we should really give her the package? Say something for me now.
Thank you.
Watch the smile. If you see the smile, and she's one of our preferred customers, platinum customer. So you know being a platinum customer, it means that you get, every 3 months, you get one free 5-pound package. Shipping. Just one. Plus other benefits as a platinum member. And she is a platinum member. Don't. Push out your hand because your fingernail them. She play shy. But we're on the corners. Roses, chemical and more. This is where we're at. You know if you support the place them in the community. Miss Rosie just a come back, you know, along with the out here call for serve. Miss Rosie over there. But she reached now, but she take some stock. So this is how we do it on the delivery trail. I go back to the lady who hide behind the fence, watch her hand, look at her hand. She's saying bye. And we're saying have a good day too, alright? You're welcome, have a good one. Alright, bye-bye. Hey guys, I know you've been watching our videos and you should be a part of our family. Why haven't you signed up? No. You should sign up for a free shipping account with us, and when you do that, also sign up for a platinum membership, which allows you 4 free shipping coupons for the year. 4. Click the link up here and be a part of our team. Okay? Look at this gentleman. He wants to be a part of the team, right? Yeah man, you need to sign up with us. 4 free shipping coupons. You don't want to miss out on that, right? Alright. So you're going to come on board. I know it. A new customer. He's going to sign up as well. You can't miss out on a good thing. You shouldn't too.